guys, I just made this paper airplane. Let's see how far mine can go.
Paper airplane. Oh my gosh. Alright, now film mine. Now film me mine.
Guys, mine's not perfect, but it's good.
This is terrible, but watch how far.
It looks better than mine. You gotta admit it, right? It's way farther than mine.
Alright, Ivy.
Also, guys, just saying, my iPad broke yesterday. I'm pretty sad.
But now time for task 2. You know what that is, Ivy?
No.
Let me tell you.
I did not even plan this video like I usually plan videos.
Ivy, get your paper airplane. Let's get our paper airplane.
Wait, wait, am I supposed to be holding it this way or something?
Come on.
Wait, Mom doesn't want us going in any holes like airplanes.
Throw the airplane.
Huh?
See how much flights can.
Oh my God!
Dude, that went all. Dude, it's stuck at the last one. Okay. So hopefully mine can go far. I mean, it goes far on the ground. It goes far. Oh my.
Oh,
You
look
got
at us.
right against the wall, Ivy. Watch, this is a reenactment of their paper.
Wait, make mine. Make me a reaction of mine. Oh yeah, I was doing.
Good, Ivy. Now we're. It's now.
Okay, guys, this is part 3. This is 3. You gotta float from wait.
Ivy, I'll hold it.
Guys, gotta float from wait here.
Yeah.
Can I do that again?
Yeah.
Not even float at all. Wait, here I think I said? Like, right here.
Yeah, right here.
That's better than it did fourth. It should have been Bill.
Okay.
Bill who, dude? Bill who?
Right here? Was it right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Look how far that went!
I'm literally about to drop your iPad.
Dude, it's so easy.
Look how far mine went.
All right. Let's do task 4.
I'm making it.
I'm gonna do task 5. The final task. This is task 4. That's what you gotta do. All right, you film me. Film me. Film me now. That's yours.
Right here?
Okay. Yeah, jumping helps, guys.
Wait, can I try that again? Can I try mine again?
Make sure to jump while you're doing it.
You.
Yeah, jumping helps it. Jumping helps it. That went better.
That's not even how far it went over there. Can you pass it back to me, Tom? Please, Tom. I also did this side 5. Okay?
And 6 is the final task, okay?
Why? You just want to do the last one?
Yeah, I have a surprise. That I think you're gonna like.
Right here.
Okay, this is. Yo, that's
I
hard.
mean, it's good.
Yeah, you do it well. I jumped off.
Hey, you were not on it for the whole time. You flew while you were in mid-air.
Well, who's that really?
Yeah, I guess. Okay. You. Okay, guys. Now it's Colin's turn to show us what we're doing for
The final task.
Oh, flip.
Get
That went over my.
it. Get it.
If you say we're going on that one, I'm killing you.
Larry, shut up. Larry, be quiet.
Wait, let's do it out from the window.
No, we're gonna do it in balcony.
Yeah.
We're gonna do it from the porch.
Wait, let me get my shoes.
Yeah, I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting.
Give me 1 minute, guys. Give me 1 minute. Tom, you don't have to leave for a minute.
Yeah, I'm fucking leaving this.
Hey, Dad.
This guy wearing shorts.
Wait.
To school?
our porch. Yeah. This is amazing. Oh my God. Dude, I'm actually so excited. This thing has won all the tasks so far. Has done very well in the tasks so far. There will be no trophy. At the end, we might not end up, we're not going to end up doing anything to these. We're just going to, yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm here.
Let's go first. You go first.
Wait, where am I supposed to
Turn it off like this.
be? Okay, guys.
Mhm.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna do that again.
Yeah, I don't think jumping helps on this out here. Yeah, guys, out here is really hard. It's harder than inside, like when we did in our basement.
Next time we'll do it. Wait, actually, we're gonna do 7. At
Yeah.
The last one. The
Yeah.
last one, we're throwing it out the window.
Yeah, we're definitely doing that. We're definitely doing that. Stay tuned.
Yeah, that was like 7.
Yeah!
Ivy, now hold.
Okay, guys, that was probably fun. Oh my God, guys!
Wasn't that epic?
That was epic.
Dude, I threw that so far.
Guys, now it's 7. This is the last one before we go.
Yeah.
Come on. You gotta bring your iPad and your
By the way, this is my iPad, not hers, because she broke. Yeah.
My iPad's broken.
This is a champion! It's gonna win an airplane champion.
Don't stop the video.
I'm not.
Why do we? I'm gonna start it from here. Doesn't work.
Okay, let's go.
I'm like, look at you, little guy. Like, there's 7 people.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be.
This is the thing. She's like, I don't want to get separated from you guys. I always ride with Buster, just us 3.
I got it.
Next.
When those guys come, I always gotta ride with them.
No, you keep using this on. We're going back out there to get them back.
Get the sandals on.
But we're not going to be jumping out the window, guys. We're not going to be jumping out the window to do it.
No.
I believe this is yours, sir.
Thank you.
I believe that is yours, sir.
Not letting Larry in right now.
I believe that is yours, sir.
Have you? I open the blinds. I'll open the blinds.
This is how we're doing it.
Dude, I'm surprised. Dude, when I found out that part opened, I was so surprised. I was like,
Come on, over here. Guys, before you...
hold up.
No.
Yeah, hold up. Let me get behind you.
I'm going to get so much air.
Yeah. Me too. Oh, let me show him what.
God. It just went right there. Guys, I need to...
Yeah, that's it. That's bad. I do not want to drop this because, you know, it's a long way. And that's what you guys fall in. I had to. Hold up.
Give me 1 minute.
Yeah, give us a minute. Just show us.
I guess that's how it goes.
Nice.
It just went right there, guys.
Okay.
Okay, Colin, now it's your turn.
That shows how hard it is. Y'all, that shows how hard it is.
Hey.
There was the grass. That was amazing. Oh. Paper airplanes.
See there. Thank you, man.
Cheers. Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of
All
this
right, well,
video.
hey, I'm jumping in the shower. I'll see you guys when you get home or when I get home.
Can I
Go golfing with me?
Oh, I thought. Never mind. Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. We're just gonna get our stuff.
So, bye.
See ya! Dude, this was the epic video.